Hi, let me show you how to activate Siri or Hey Siri on iPhone. And for that, firstly, go in your phone settings and start scrolling down till you can see section Siri. Also, it can be presented as Siri and Apple Intelligence. Now, all we have to do is to find Talk to Siri feature and turn it on. For that, pick one of those two options. So I'm gonna pick the first one to say Siri and Hey Siri, and then confirm to enable it. Now we need to set it up. For that, we need to say aloud everything what will be displayed on the screen to teach Siri recognize our voice. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. And now Siri is ready, so we need to tap done. And also, if you want to, you can enable to press side button for Siri. Then we can go back, customize it. For example, we can set silent or spoken Siri responses here. And also, you can set voice for the Siri as well as language. Enable to hang up calls with the help of Siri and enable Siri to announce incoming calls. And if you want to use it on your lock screen, then I highly recommend you to enable Allow Siri when locked just by toggling on the switch like that and entering your passcode to confirm. And now let's try this out. So we can say, Hey Siri. And now Siri is on, so we can ask her to do something. For example, let's ask Siri to set a timer. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. And now timer is on. So Siri is working perfectly fine. Also, we can press side button and Siri will be working as well. And we can also try it out on lock screen. Hey Siri. So yep, it's working. And that's all. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.